Supriya garu, the straight forward question to you on the down payments configurations for vendor is why we need to use the reconciliation account. I'm not asking about the any special reconciliation account. So you can just give me the exact overview on the normal reconciliation account, why we need to use and what is the importance. Yeah, you can
Yes.
just go on, no issue.
Yes.
Hmm.
We use the reconciliation account for the purpose of whatever we maintain the vendor invoices or customer invoices or down payments that should be updated in the GL account. For that, we
Okay.
maintain the reconciliation account in the FS00.
Okay. That is the perfect answer, right?
Thank you.
Okay. Then next, and one more question for you is why we need to assign these down payment receive account and also reconciliation account in transaction code OBYR?
In
Hmm.
OBYA, we are going to link between the um,
Hmm.
vendor account and the advance to vendor account for
Okay.
for clearing purpose.
Yes, for clearing purpose only and also for posting and requesting purpose only, we will going to assign these GL accounts in transaction code OBYR. Okay,
Yeah.
right.
Yes.
Very good. Perfect answer. Then next, when it comes to the Sachin Arena, in automatic payment program run, I mean that is F110 in all company codes. Okay, we do have the options. Do we have the options on the special GL indicators like down payments on customers and down payments on vendors?
Yes, sir.
Do we have options? Yes. So where you can find out
Yes.
that one?
Special GL indicators.
Yeah, where you can find out that one? Is it all company codes and paying company codes or payment method in country or payment method in company code and all? House banks and determinations, bank determinations and all. Where you can find out that one? All these special GL indicators. Just now I have told you the answer. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can just remember, no issue. Okay, see the first configuration when it comes to the what is that one? FBZP transaction code, you will see all those configurations, 6 configurations, right? So in the all company codes, you can find out the special GL indicators, like down payments and all. I mean down payments and current assets and down payments for the request for the each and every customers and vendors. All right. So you can find out that one. So this is the answer for that question. All right.
Okay.
In automatic payment program run, so I want to exclude all these down payments for the customers and also vendors. So where you can do that one? This is another question for you.
Sir, one more time, sir. Once again,
In
sir.
automatic payment program run, okay,
Okay.
or else in automatic payment program configurations, I want to exclude the down payment configurations for vendors and also down payment configurations for customers. So where you can do that one? Okay, na? Anybody has the answer on this one? So I will start with Supriya Garu.
Yes, sir.
Do you have the answer? Yeah, tell me.
We set up this down payment for vendors indicator in the
Hmm.
configuration. Set up all company codes for payment transaction in
Yes,
FBZ.
very good. Yes, very good. That is the perfect answer. Sachinarayana, did you get it, that one?
No, sir. Actually, not forget.
See, in all company codes, whatever the answer that was saying by the Supriya Garu is a perfect answer. That
So
means
just call
when
me
you go to,
Supriya, sir.
yeah, Supriya, when you go to the transaction code FBZP, so we will have the so many configurations, that is 6 configurations, right? The first configuration, all company codes. So when you come down this all company codes, I mean in that screen, when you come down, so you will find the special GL indicators, like for the customers and for the vendors. There is a including list, there is a excluding list. Okay. So if you want to exclude the vendors, you can exclude. If you want to include, you can include. Okay. For the customers also same thing. If you want to include, you can include. If you don't want to include, okay, you can exclude that one. Okay, this is the exact answer that was saying by the Supriya. That is the perfect answer. Okay, there is no need to worry for these questions. So this is a in-depth questions, and also this is a very important interview questions. So whatever the configurations that we are doing right now, and I will going to ask you those questions on the configurations, and I am interlinking each and every topic, okay, with these concepts. All right. So be careful when you're saying the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Then next question for the Karnakar. Okay. Um, okay. All right. So before we posting the down payment, okay, in transaction code F-48. So is it a mandatory thing? Is it a mandatory thing that we want to post the down payment request?
Yes, sir. Mandatory thing.
So why it is mandatory thing? Hmm. And I am again repeating the question, right?
Yes,
So,
sir. I understand question.
okay, right. Why we need to use the precaution steps? Okay, right. See, before we raise the down payment posting, we need to raise the down payment request. Okay, in transaction code F-48. Why we need to use the why we need to post the down payment request? That is the most important question, right? Why? Because I'm giving you the basic example. So suppose you're going to book one flat. Okay, so for the 10 lakhs. Okay, you are going to buy the flat for the 10 lakhs, and the vendor wants the some payment, that we can call it as a advanced payment. Okay, so you will going to give the 1 lakh rupee as an advance payment to the particular vendor. Why we need to give the advance payment? Why? Because whatever the material that we are going to buy, so we should book. Okay, so to book that material, or if you want that material particularly, you need to pay the advance amount, and that advance amount will going to include in this SAP system. Okay, so if you want to include this advance payment in the SAP system, so for the vendors only, we will have the transaction code. That is the request. Based on the request only, you will going to post the down payment. Yes, this is the exact answer for the interview question. Okay, na? So miss avakandi, evvaru miss avakandi. Karnakar, more focus on the subject. Okay, na? Subject మీద
Okay,
నేను
sir.
మీకు ప్రొవైడ్ చేశాను కదా, సబ్జెక్ట్ చదువుకుంటా ఉండు. Okay, right.
Okay.
Then when it comes to the Raghu, so for you, the most important thing for the down payments is before you clear the vendor invoices, total vendor invoices, is it mandatory to clear the down payment postings?
Yes, sir.
Why it is mandatory?
Sir, sometimes to codes and all they apply na, that time will become errors and all will come na, sir. That
Is
time
it right answer? Is it correct answer?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Okay, no issue. Please be more focused on the subject, okay, and more focus on the communication skills and also sentence formation. All of you, please understand this one. Yeah, okay, no issue. When it comes to the before clearing these when incoming or outgoing payment from the customers or else from the vendors and all, okay, why we need to take the one precaution step, okay, before clearing the vendor invoices and also customer invoices. Why? Because see here, whatever the down payment postings that we have posted, okay, whatever the down payments postings that we have posted and whatever the down payment requests that we have posted. So when you are posting the vendor invoices in transaction code FB60, the system will pop up one screen. That is the information screen that some of the amount down payment paid account or down payment received account is being pending. Okay, the system will give you the information whatever the down payments that we have posted. Okay, so when you are posting the FB60 invoices, automatically down payment posting information will be shown in that screen only. That's that sum of the amount. The sum of the amount we will don't know. All right, the system will know. Then we need to clear the down payment. Okay, so that is the more important thing, where you can clear the down payment clearing when it comes to the vendor. What is the transaction code? Anyone? What is the transaction code?
Sir, F-44.
F-44.
No,
No,
sir,
F-54,
F-54.
sir.
Very good. So F-54 is the exact thing. Okay, for the vendors. For the customers, that is F-39. Already
Yes.
you're seeing those transaction codes in the screen only. Okay, right. So these are the most important theory questions and also important depth questions on the down payments. Okay, and one more last questions for the Srinivas. Srinivas, for you, the question is, when we are clearing the down payments, okay, can we or else shall we give the cash discounts to the particular vendors when you are clearing the down payment?
Yes, sir.
How? How you can do that one? Okay, right.
No idea,
So
sir.
this concept is not at all done. Okay, so that is why I have raised the question whether you will give the answer or not. Okay, so don't worry, this topic is not at all done. We can also give the cash discounts, okay, for the down payments also. Okay, that will be the another scenario. They will going to ask you those questions on the down payments like this only. Okay, so you don't worry. I will give you the perfect answer on this one when it comes to the payment terms and all. Okay, installment payment terms and all. ఓకే, డౌన్ పేమెంట్స్ కన్ఫిగరేషన్స్ ఫర్ వెండర్స్ లో ఏదైతే క్వశ్చన్స్ నేను చెప్పానో, ఏదైతే క్వశ్చన్స్ నేను అడిగానో, కంపల్సరీగా ఒక నోట్బుక్ లో కానీ ఒక నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో కానీ క్లియర్ గా రాసుకోండి. రాసుకున్న తర్వాత ఆటోమేటిక్గా మీకు ఏం తెలుస్తుంది, దీనికి ఎలా ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలి, ఒక 2 times మీరు వీడియో చూస్తే యూ విల్ గెట్ ఇట్. ఓకే, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ కంపల్సరీగా మీరు కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ మీద కొంచెం రైస్ చేసుకోవాలి, అంటే మీ మైండ్ని ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలి. అట్ ది సేమ్ టైం సబ్జెక్ట్ మీద ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోండి. అట్ ది సేమ్ టైమ్ సెంటెన్స్ ఫార్మేషన్ అనేది కరెక్ట్గా చేయండి. మీరు ఎలా అయితే మాట్లాడతారో ఆ వే ఆఫ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ బట్టే మీకు అక్కడ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో సక్సెస్ అవుతారు. ఓకేనా? కమ్యూనికేషన్ లేకపోతే కారు, నేను ముందే చెప్తున్నాను. కమ్యూనికేషన్ విత్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంటే మీరు ఎక్కడికో వెళ్ళిపోతారు. సెంటెన్స్ ఫార్మేషన్ అనేది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. నేను రాసిన మెటీరియల్ ఈజీగా చదవండి, చాలా ఈజీగా అర్థమైపోతుంది. ఒకవేళ మీకు సెంటెన్స్ ఫార్మేషన్ రాకపోతే కంపల్సరీగా నేను రాసిన మెటీరియల్ని రివైజ్ చేసుకుంటూ కూర్చోండి. నేను రాసిన మెటీరియల్లో డెఫినేషన్ చెప్పండి చాలు, నో ఇష్యూ. ముందు వచ్చే కొద్దీ మీకే కొంచెం నాలెడ్జ్ వచ్చి ఇంకా తర్వాత క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేది ఈజీగా చెప్పడానికి, అంటే ఆన్సర్స్ అనేది ఈజీగా చెప్పడానికి మీకు ఒక క్లారిటీ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఓకే ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? ఓకే, రైట్.
ఓకే సార్.
రైట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. సో నేను రికార్డ్ స్టాప్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఈ రికార్డ్ కూడా వచ్చేస్తుంది, మీకు డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్ ది డౌన్ పేమెంట్స్ ఫర్ వెండర్స్ అనేది ఏదైతే ఉందో అది చూసుకోండి. ఓకేనా? సో మీకు చాలా క్లియర్గా ఉంటుంది. రైట్.